Hey guys, another week of 613 Expose. It's my husband Mikhail, I'm Judith, and we're just going through the list. And again, I'm comparing the list provided by the Jewish FAQ website and the Chabad website. So by category, this video's category is agriculture and animal husbandry. There are 7 commandments for this topic. We'll get it all in this one video. So I'm going to read the first 2 commandments. And then we'll read the scripture reference after the 2 because it's the same reference. Commandment 358, not to crossbreed cattle of different species, Leviticus 19:19. And then the second one is Commandment 315. In the Chabad, the cross-reference, the Chabad has it listed as Commandment 236, not to crossbreed animals. The second commandment for this video is 259, not to sow different kinds of seeds together in one field. And the Chabad has it listed as Commandment 234, not to plant diverse seeds together. So again, Leviticus 19:19.
Okay, so Vayikra 19:19 states, "You shall observe my decrees. You shall not mate your animal into another species. You shall not plant your field with mixed seeds. And a garment that is a mixture of combined fibers shall not come upon you."
All right, the next 2, because they have the same scripture reference. Commandment 360, not to eat the fruit of a tree for 3 years from the time it was planted, Leviticus 19:23. The Chabad has it listed as Commandment 200, not to eat fruit of a tree during its first 3 years. And then the next commandment is 361, that the fruit of fruit-bearing trees in the 4th year of their planting shall be sacred, like the second tithe, and eat in Jerusalem. Leviticus 19, verse 24. The Chabad has it listed as Commandment 268. The 4th year crops must be totally for holy purposes, like the second tithe. So Leviticus 19, verse 23 and 24.
Okay, so Vayikra 19:23, when you shall come to the land and you shall plant any food tree, you shall treat its fruit as forbidden. For 3 years they shall be forbidden to you; they shall not be eaten. In the 4th year, all its fruit shall be sanctified to Laud Hashem. Yes, that's a period. I was making sure that wasn't a comma.
Okay. And then the next 3 we're going to bulk together because, again, the same scripture reference found in Deuteronomy 22, verse 9 and 10. Commandment 362, not to sow grain or herbs in a vineyard. And then the Chabad has it listed as not to plant grains or greens in a vineyard. Commandment 363, not to eat the produce of diverse seeds sown in a vineyard. Chabad has that one listed as Commandment 201, not to eat diverse seeds planted in a vineyard. And then the final one for this video, Commandment 364, not to work the beast of different species yoked together. The Chabad has that commandment listed as Commandment 237, not to work different animals together. So Deuteronomy chapter 22, verses 9 and 10.
Devarim 9 and 10, "You shall not sow your vineyard with a mixture, lest it grow of the seed that you plant, and the produce of the vineyard shall become forbidden." And the produce of the vineyard become forbidden. I apologize. "You shall not plow with an ox and a donkey together."
That's it.
Do you want me to read 11? I mean, we kind of read it before, but it's pertaining to the last. It's like a cross-reference.
Okay.
All right, this is Devarim 22:11. "You shall not wear combined fibers, wool and linen together," which coincides with the last.
All right.
Last one. Sorry.
Thank you. Bye.